Alright guys, guess what I just picked up today? Bam! That's right. Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now, I got confused as soon as I got this because on the box, it doesn't say LTE on it, like anywhere, but real small print in the back, it says LTE on it, like super small print. You see it? So it is an LTE version and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. So this is an unboxing video, so let's unbox this bad boy. So, okay, I gotta do this right because I don't want nobody reading my IME number. So, and down here, flip it over. There we go. All right, let's see what comes in the box itself. All right. So I did get the silver version because I got plans for the silver one, not the black. I'm replacing the band, of course, and of course the bezel, you know, all the good stuff. So right out of the box. Now it doesn't have a protective cover on it, so be warned with that part. There's nothing protecting it, and then of course you got the back right there. And that's how it comes. Oh, good, I smudged it up, didn't I? And this is the paperwork. Oh, if I can get it out without ripping the box. All right, so it comes with your basic stuff. So some paperwork right there, and it does not say LTE in the paperwork too, by the way, so don't panic if you get the LTE version. It has to say it in the back of the box. All right, so of course you got your hold on, charger. Oh, if I can get it out though. And bam, comes with the charger right there as well. So the charger has this thing on it right here. You see this plastic thing? I thought it would have came on the watch itself, but it doesn't, but which is okay because I'm getting like screen protectors, all the bells and whistles for it anyway. So this is the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Active 4 LTE version watch right there. As you can see, this is the unboxing video for it. Now, as far as the bezel, super nice bezel. I'm a big fan of silver. I was kind of disappointed because I've seen other people with shiny silver. My silver is kind of like dull and graded, but it's okay because I'm putting things over it anyway. I'm going to customize mine, but I really like the fan on this stuff. I can't even talk straight. I really like the bezel on this stuff right here. The band, it's a little bit better band than the Active 2, but still not as good, but which is okay because I'm getting a new one. And same thing, you just unclip it. Now, if you guys are wondering if it matches with other bands, well, I got news for you guys. You can put any watch band on it. I got some right here. I'm going to do a video with this one right after I'm done doing this video. So this is it right there, and I'm putting these bands on here. I might put the black one on to sport it because I got a black bezel. So stay tuned for my next upcoming video on that one. But it's sure easy to snap on, snap off. You kind of got to get your finger in there, but I'm going to use like a little tool to do it. And this is it. So this is the unboxing video for the Samsung Active 4 LTE version. This is only an unboxing, but in my next videos I'm going to put more, you know, I'm going to play around with it, show you guys what it does, and a whole bunch of stuff with it. As you can see, I got tons of stuff with it. So just keep in mind my next video. So I got watch bands right here, 2 different shades. I got my bezel right here. I'm going to show you guys that as well. So check out my next video coming up right after this one.